I am going to be showing you guys my entire income for the month of May. I really want to keep this channel as transparent as possible. I know there's a lot of people out there who I haven't seen their basic numbers for, what are their Amazon sales, how much are they making on their courses, and to me that's pretty concerning. I don't want to be that guy. And so this is something I'm going to do and continue to do. I can't believe I didn't think about it earlier. But I'm going to show you all 5 of my income streams, starting with Amazon, because that's what this channel revolves around. So in Amazon, I have one private label product right now, and you'll see I'm working on getting more. I sold 151 units, and total my profit was $2,800. Now, at the beginning of the month, the unit started with selling for about $35, and now I have raised the price up to $44. So my margins are really good right now. I'm making $21 per unit, and they only cost me $10 to buy and ship to the US. So making a lot of money there. This is a lot better than last month. Last month I sold about 110 units, and you can see 150 units this month. Overall, I don't know what's changed. The products just got a little bit more in season. Nothing else has changed. I don't have any new marketing tactics. It's just been a good month. On arbitrage, I haven't done a lot of arbitrage this month. I did a little bit the first week of this month, but the last 3 weeks has been used exclusively for putting out this free course that I'm putting together. Actually, the course is coming out today, and so if you want to get that, it is technically $1 actually, but it's 8 hours of private label content for you guys. But I sold 16 units. Again, it's something that there's a lot of money to be made in arbitrage, but right now my time is spent better other places, doing other things. I can make more money working on my personal brand, on putting out content for you guys, and then I can doing arbitrage. So that's why I've kind of strayed away from arbitrage. Again, there's still a lot of money to be made there, and for people who are just starting out, that's where arbitrage really shines. Now you guys can see all my expenses for Amazon. I shipped some product samples to China. I essentially sent my exact competitor's product. I bought it on Amazon and I shipped it to China. It's a one little bag that was 120 bucks to ship over there, but I just told my supplier, like, hey, can you duplicate this product? And so I'm getting some product quotes on that right now. And I got some samples for another product. Those are samples brought from China. And then the rest of the stuff breaking down here. Nothing too crazy. Total $2,600 in profit on Amazon. And guys, I feel really good about this because it's just one product that I have really, and a little bit of arbitrage. Again, you guys will ask me, why don't you have 6, 7, 8 products if the first one's doing so well? And it's because I know in the long run, when I build this channel up to 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be able to help a lot more people, and I'm going to be able to make a lot more money than if I just spent some time building more products. So it's something I wanted to do, and that's really why I have partnered with Raphael, guys. He's probably going to sell $3 million in sales this year, and he brings the knowledge that really almost nobody can. So let's talk about YouTube here. You can talk about it. Let's just scroll down to the bottom here. You guys can see that I'm going to make made $8,600 on YouTube, and a total of $11,000 in profit. Again, like I said, guys, I feel like my time could be better spent on YouTube. That I made $5,800 exclusively from my Viral Launch affiliate links. So when you sign up for Viral Launch, use my link, and you get the 50% off your first month, but really I get paid when you sign up for the Viral Launch link. I've got a couple other affiliate links. This is where a lot of my income has come from, and this is one thing that's drastically changed between last month and this month. So 2 months ago, I was still working my day job. I made $4,700 a month net at that job. So $4,700 net after all my insurance, after my taxes, all that was taken out. I came home with $3,500. So that's how much money I actually came home with every month. No, actually it was $3,300. And so then I quit my job. My first month on my own, I made $3,300, $3,500 as a full-time entrepreneur. That was my very first month. And then this is my second month at $11,000. So things have changed drastically. One of the biggest things is Viral Launch. And I've tried promoting other things on this channel, other good products like Jungle Scout, but those just really never caught on. For those of you who are trying to build personal brands, a lesson for this is, A, you need to promote something that not everyone else is promoting, and B, you need to try different things because this is the only thing that converted well. And I'm pretty happy it's Viral Launch that converted well because Viral Launch is my favorite software by a long shot. Other affiliates, $500 just from random things, and then my arbitrage course, which is one of my other income streams. I have an arbitrage course, and I've sold about 24 units this month because it's like a $95 course, which gets me $2,300. It cost me $130 to host that course every month, and then I'd have some one-on-one calls. I do one-on-one calls right now. I've never really called it out, so not a lot of people have taken advantage of it, but I put the link in every one of my videos, and some people have found it, and so I made $275 from that. Mentorship group. Now, the mentorship group is something that was supposed to launch in June, but I did a test group for the course, the $1 course I'm putting out, just a couple of days ago, and some of the people that sign up for that sign up for the mentorship group, so that is where this one is coming from. And then just my regular stuff I use for YouTube. It does kind of add up, but luckily I have something to offset it. And total of $8,600. Guys, what I want you to understand, what I've learned most about this YouTube journey, because you guys can see this where a lot of my income is coming from, the two things that matter most are the number of people you are able to help out, which really means how big is your actual group. My channel has been growing at 50 to 60% month-over-month growth, which means the bigger my channel gets, 50% keeps getting bigger and bigger growth every month. So that's one thing that's really increased my revenue from last month to this month. And another thing that matters is how much actual value you're providing to people. That's one of the most important things that it has dictated, how much money I'm able to make on YouTube. I see a lot of people out there that wonder why they're not making money, and it's because they're selling the same stuff everyone else is selling. They're not really providing any value over other people on YouTube. So if you want to create a YouTube, come up with some unique selling proposition that's better than everybody else. Figure out where the market's not hit. Like, that's what I'm doing with this $1 course. Like, I'm trying to make big waves in the market in order to really drastically grow my YouTube channel, and also obviously to help a lot of people out. Like, that's something that I'm able to do that is going to make big waves in the market. So for you, whatever niche you're getting into, figure out what you can do in that niche. And for a lot of other niches, they're not as tapped as this one. I don't follow Shopify very much closely or ClickFunnels, but I don't know anybody who has a solid free course on that. So that's something you could do. And there's a lot of potential out there. And again, YouTube is something I recommend everybody do because I love connecting with you guys, and I love being able to talk to you. These one-on-one calls that people have scheduled, I really enjoyed a lot more than even recording YouTube videos and all that stuff. It's one of the favorite things that I do with my day. So that is a full breakdown of my income. Please leave some comments below. I want to get your guys' feedback and really just have some discussions with you. I'm sure this has sparked some questions with you. And guys, I will see you in that course. Please go check it out. It is 8 hours of content, full course, and I partnered with a multi-million-dollar seller for it.